Hey guys, this is Jaffa from my YouTube channel Positive Academy. What is happening currently? I am here talking about George Floyd. Right now there is a lot of stuff happening on the planet, and we can see that in United States a lot of protests has been done. I recently saw the pic on Instagram and it says that I am not able to breathe. And seeing that pic, I felt that what is going on? Where are we humans approaching? What is our future? There are a lot of stuff happening. On one side you see coronavirus, on other side you see different things. Humans are now not getting what they really want. The peace has been disturbed already. So this is a wake up call for us. We need to wake up. We need to build community. We need to support each other in the hard times. Universe has planned already. We must be the universe players to play out our innings well, to build the community, to have the strength among us, to support us. So this video I'm making is to support George Floyd. He was an innocent person. He didn't do anything bad, but circumstances such happened which led to the death of him, and it was very shocking. I was really shocked when I saw the pic. It's really a 2-minute silence. I don't know what to say about the human race. It has so much change. On the other hand, we also run the campaign about boycotting China, boycotting Chinese product. You see that China is planning different strategies on different neighboring nations. Why? Because the nation is not able to serve the people of their own country. A lot of chaos and disturbances are being there in China, and in the past also Chinese have done this stuff around 1962. So this is not unusual. This is a common stuff they do in order to bloom their economy and in order to get their stuff. So we need to boycott the Chinese product, the Chinese apps, the Chinese hardware which we are using in our day-to-day life. It was already a US-China trade war, and now these other things are happening. US is also so much angry on China. The relationship of China among other nations have become very much not in proper consideration. So these were some of the stuff right now happening, and we need to wake up. We need to support each other. We need to support the cause in order to minimize the effect. Here hermetic principle comes into picture, the law of cause and effect. When you minimize the cause, the effect will already be reduced. Just like Newton's law of motion, action and reactions are equal and opposite. In the same way this goes. So I urge you to build a community to support each other in these hard times. I am really disappointed of what is happening right now. I will not share that unusual fighting or horroring or terrifying videos, because this is not about spreading negativity. I give out positivity. It's about positivity to build your community, to have your strength. So I will not share that negative videos. There are a lot of negativity already prevailing in this world, and it's a time to wake up, to build community, to support each other, to have that peaceful environment, right? Be in the task to make world a better place to live in, so that our future generation will be proud of ourselves. Do something for your community, for your world, for your nation, to the place where you live in. Remember, we all human beings are same. It is the labels such as nation, color, caste all already been implemented on us, but in general we are all same. We are all energy. We all humans are same, so there is no differences. Right, so this was a motivational video. I hope you are enjoying this type of content. If you would like to know more, please subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video. Till then, bye, peace.
You